How to add the world clock or multiple cities clock widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize on the left-hand side panel. In here, tap on Add Widget, the panel just below the clock. Then in the Add Widgets window, we scroll down and tap on Clock. Next, select Wall Clock. So there are different clock in here. So you want to select Wall Clock. This will allow you to add in multiple cities. So tap on that, and that will be added to your widget panel on the lock screen. And then tap on the Close button to close that. In here, you can tap on the clock itself, tap on the widget, the world clock widget. In here, you can change the cities. So let's say I want to change this first city to Creston, Canada. And then the second one, I will replace Tokyo, Japan, to say, I'll replace it with Turin, Italy. And lastly, I will replace Sydney, Australia to say Vienna, Austria. Right. After that, you can also rearrange the position of the city. So touch and hold on this horizontal bar, and then you can drag it up or down to rearrange the cities. And then tap on the close button at the top, and then tap on the close button again, and then tap on done to save the changes. And that's it. Now you can swipe up to return back to the home screen, and then you can press on the side button to go to your lock screen, and here are the clock or the wall clock or multiple clock displaying on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.